Hello everyone, a very good morning to you. Welcome to today's edition of The Bottom Line. Here are the top headlines. India mandates RT-PCR tests and a 10-day quarantine period for all UK visitors. UK updates travel advisory for its national going to India. Vaccination drive, dip in COVID cases, help domestic air travel soar. Pakistan bans air travel for unvaccinated travellers. Qatar Airways brings business light for the business class passengers. Jammu airport traffic sees a jump after airlines allowed to fly in full capacity. Following multiple threats of reciprocal action against the UK due to the country's strict vaccine travel norms, New Delhi made it mandatory for UK passengers, regardless of vaccination status, to undergo a 10-day quarantine on Friday. The new travel guidelines will take effect on October 4th and will apply to all UK nationals arriving from the UK. The Home Advisory and the Civil Aviation Ministry will work together to put the new measures in place. The UK government updated its official advisory for its nationals travelling to India following New Delhi's decisions to impose reciprocal curbs on the British visitors from Monday, and said it was in close contact with Indian authorities on the issue. The Indian authorities are responsible for setting and enforcing the rules for entry into India. We are in close contact with them and will update FCDO travel advice on gov.uk with the latest information on any changes to the rules, a UK government spokesperson said. Due to the drop in COVID cases, domestic traffic demand in India has continued its steady month-on-month climb since June, according to the recent data released by International Air Transport Association, the global airlines trade body. Delhi Airport's domestic passenger traffic has peaked in March with 2.9 million on passengers, and the airport inched close to that number in August with 2.6 million passengers. That's all we have for you in today's edition of The Bottom Line. Thank you for joining us. For more such tourism and travel industry updates, stay tuned till tomorrow. Have a great day ahead.